Alright, so for this week's ride, I'm gonna head over to an outdoor area that I know there's no people there, so I'm definitely gonna be able to get some drone footage. Alright, I'll cut ahead. Next up is probably gonna be Alright, like I said, I'm gonna go to a spot that I know for sure I'll be able to get some drone footage, because the past couple videos I've wanted to get drone footage and I haven't been able to. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm reading, not Brave New World, I downloaded a bunch of ebooks because I'm not patient enough to actually read, so I'm just gonna put them on while I'm doing chores or whatever. But I downloaded Brave New World, Animal Farm, and 1984. And I just listened to Animal Farm last night. That was a really good book. But yeah, it's basically just a warning about the dangers of socialism. I'm into that type of stuff. Like, I haven't read a dystopian fiction like that since way back in the day. I used to read Fahrenheit 451, and that was probably my favorite book. But yeah, other than that, I haven't really been up to anything else. I just saw, like, in the news, people are upset because of the school shooting. I really don't have anything to say on that. The only thing that I will say, because I'm a Second Amendment advocate, is banning guns, it won't solve anything. I understand people are upset, emotions are high right now, but banning guns, it won't do a damn thing. I'm telling you right now. Walmart gas station, I never seen that before. They must have just opened that. I've been here before. I don't remember seeing that. Yeah, I've been to this place multiple times. Since moving out to Texas, I've been here. This is probably one of my favorite places to go ride, because you'll see in the drone footage. It's a really cool, like, foresty area. No internet connection, that sucks. That probably wasn't the greatest of drone footage, but whatever. There's my beautiful bike. Put on my shades. Oh yeah, there's another cool little scenic view down here. Let's see if we can't. Oh, that's disgusting. I know there's another one, a better one. Handles so much better than my old Dyna. I know people swear that the FXR was the greatest Harley platform ever built, but I don't know. It's old technology. I got my new glasses. They block the sun, that's all I care. When I was researching how well they are, I saw somebody left a comment on the video, these are for dickheads. So as soon as I saw that comment, I was like, oh man, I need to get that then. If you judge somebody by the glasses that they're wearing, then you're a fucking dickhead. I don't know what to tell you. They're made to block the sun. I'm not trying to do a fashion statement here. Yeah, still no word yet on the Mustang my dad's building. I haven't talked to him this week. I'll probably call him when I get home. Last I heard, he was waiting on the heads. I imagine he got him back by now, but I don't know. And I'm pretty sure that's the last thing he's waiting for. So once he gets that and gets it put together, I'll make a short video of the car engine running. But yeah, speaking of the FXR, not only handling, people try to say that the Evo motor was like the greatest motor Harley ever built. I don't know. I used to have a Sportster with an Evo, an older one too. It was like 2003, I think. I don't know if like the previous owner did something, but that thing would leak all the time on me, man. I'm not trying to have that. This Milwaukee 8, I mean, I've only got about 4,000 miles on it, which is nothing considering it's 2020. But like right after I bought it, I got in an accident and I didn't ride, so take that into account. But even still, I wasn't down for that long. I just haven't rode as much as I would like, and now gas is so expensive that I'm not going to be riding as much as I would like. So excuses, they just keep coming up.
Joe had awakened to a world in crisis. The economy was in a state of deep neglect.
Yeah, this Milwaukee 8 though, it's been solid. I replaced the cam, the oil pump, and I didn't even go with the gear drive like everyone was saying. Oh, you gotta put gear drive because that's what the Evo had. No, fuck it. I just put a chain drive, and I haven't had no problems with it. And people on the videos that I watched, they never complain about the tensioner or whatever, because that's what goes out on the cam chain setups, the tensioner. But a lot of the S&S 475 cam kits, they don't even come with a new tensioner. I actually replaced mine too, so I know I'm good. And then I'm gonna get that Olin shock here soon. So yeah, those are the 4 major upgrades of my bike so far. The cam, the Olin shock, this front fairing, and the bags. Those are what I would say is my biggest upgrades. I've done a lot more though. I saw some houses on the way out here that said brand new from the low 200s. That's insane, because the market is so screwed up right now. For some reason, a used house like mine is almost 300,000 now. Where when I moved out here, it was probably about from the low 200s, just like that, with those new homes. Watch, let's see if I can see the sign. It was up here somewhere. Yep, there it is, right there. From the 200s, new homes. Alright, so this week's ride, what do we touch on? Current books I'm listening to. I didn't say how I feel about the school shooting, other than I don't think banning guns will do anything. Let's see, I got some drone footage, not the greatest drone footage, but some drone footage, and some shots of the bike. And yeah, a little bit of freeway ride. Okay, that's gonna be it for this week. If you haven't subscribed, do so. I'll see you guys next week.